What's going on, guys? My name is Albert. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, guys. If you haven't already, guys, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Don't forget to hit this video with a like, guys. It truly helps the channel grow, and I love all the support that you guys are giving the channel. Okay, guys, today's main clip is going to be a woman that finds out why you should not waste a man's time. Before we get into that clip, we have two other clips that we're going to break down that are really important for us as men to learn from. Without no further ado, guys, let's jump right into the first clip.
Can we please talk about how toxic the dating advice is on this app? And I'm specifically talking about the women here. And what I want to talk about is the idea of high standards. I think it is so important that everyone has their own sets of standards and things that they will accept or not accept in a relationship. And it's gotten to a point where, because I've heard these other women's standards so much, it's making me feel like my standards aren't high enough. For example, going on a first date. I have no issues going on a coffee date or hanging out at a park or doing something super low key because I'm a low maintenance person and I don't need something fancy for a first date. I also don't know if I'm gonna like you on the first date, so why would I want to do something that might require multiple hours of my time? But the women that are out here being like, if a man asks me on a coffee date, I'm not going. He's a low value man. I'm sorry, but that is absolutely ridiculous.
What she makes a very great point. I always tell you guys, keep your investments low on the first date. If you are asking a woman out and she is not willing to just meet you for a coffee date, she's expecting you to take her out on a lavish, extravagant date, a dinner date. Guys, here's the thing. You offer a drink, something low, like a low investment type of date, so that you can get to know her. Because remember, that first date is like you're trying to get to know this person. And if a woman is expecting you to, right off the bat, wanting you to spend a lot of money on her, and she's demanding that, that is a problem. That is already a red flag in my book. The first date is just to get to know that person. And what she said in the clip is correct. You know, it's not having high standards or the woman is low value or you're low value. It's just you two getting together and getting to know each other. Once you decide, okay, that first date, you guys like each other, then sure, the second date, y'all can do whatever you want.
Surprising my husband with his favorite foods.
This warms my heart to see women like this. You know, you always see videos about, you know, these horrible people giving horrible advice, but it's also so heartwarming to know that there are women like this living among us. A woman that is so happy to be a homemaker, so happy to please her man, because she understands that her man is killing it in the workforce. He's killing it out there in the world, bringing home the bacon. So she's like, you know what? I want to take care of my man. This is the kind of woman that you want to vet for the long term. A woman that is happy to please her man. A woman that is, it brings her joy to make the house a home. This is the kind of woman I'm saying, you know what? If you're vetting a woman, this is the sort of thing that your woman, your wife, the girl that you're vetting for long term, it should bring her joy to be taking care of you.
Y'all, tell me why this dude told me to meet him at Osaka's at 6, and so like 6:10, I'm like, I'm on my way, but he never texts back, and I get here, he's nowhere to be found. It's 6:50.
She is so far gone, and I love the fact that the man just didn't text her, didn't let her know, and just left. How are you? We are supposed to meet at 6. At 10 after 6, you're texting me that you're on your way. So it's not you're in the parking lot. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I was running late. My bad. I just got. At 10 minutes, you're saying you're on your way. And we already know 10 minutes is when she left the house. Imagine, you're supposed to have a date at 6. 10 minutes after the date, you text me saying you're on your way. That tells me you have no respect for my time. So why should I even be continuing on this date? If you have right off the bat, if this is how you treat people. I don't even want to know what other red flags you have. And that is why my man's just said, you know what? I don't even need to text this person because I'm not going to see them again. So I'm just going to leave. And the funny part is that she didn't even get why he left. He left because he has boundaries and principles. Just because she has the poom poom, you can't just let her walk all over you. You have to have boundaries. You have to have your principles. If people showing up late to a date that you set, you told them, hey, meet me at this time, and they're showing up late with no apologies. She didn't even say, I'm sorry for being late. She just said, I'm on my way. 10 after 6, you're on your way. Sorry, I'm out. I'm not interested anymore. That's how we guys have to be from now on. Guys, that is the video for today. If you have not already, guys, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Guys, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Leave this video with a like. It really helps the channel grow. I really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving the channel. With that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.